So welcome to part 2 of my dimensional analysis video. If you haven't watched part 1, so go ahead and do that and then jump back to this video. Also, I highly recommend watching my molar mass video because we're going to do with compound in this video, and I want to show you how you do dimensional analysis when you have a compound. So let's do a slight recap. So let's say you have grams to moles. Again, let's say I have 100 grams of carbon. I go to the periodic table and I see how many grams of carbon I have in 1 mole. In this case, I have 12.011 grams. Again, my grams will cancel. Whatever goes on the top cancels with the bottom. So again, these grams of carbon cancel with this grams of carbon, and I'm left with my moles. And I get around 8.33 moles of carbon. Now, let's do grams to moles. So again, if I have 100 grams of water, what am I going to do? So first, you have to go and calculate water, which is going to be 18.015 grams of water. Again, and that's in 1 mole of water. And again, those are going to cancel, and you're going to be left with around 5.551 moles of water. Now, let's do more complicated ones. So let's go from grams to atoms. So let's say I have 100 grams of water. So again, I have 18.015 grams in 1 mole, but I have to do an extra step, right? I have to go from moles to atoms. So again, in the calculator, what do you punch in? You're going to punch in 100 divided by 18.015, and then you're going to get your answer. You're going to put enter, and then you're going to multiply by 6.022 times 10 to the 23, or you can put times 6.022 e to the 23 for those of you that have a scientific calculator. And then you're going to get this answer. Cool. So what about if you have atoms to grams, which is something that screws up a lot of students? So let's say you have 5.88 times 10 to the 25 atoms of water. Again, you're going to divide by Avogadro, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms. That gives you 1 mole. And in 1 mole, we already calculated how much a mole of water was. Again, you go to the periodic table and you get 2 hydrogens plus oxygen. Again, 2 times 1.008 plus 15.999. That gives you your mass. And again, when you punch this into the calculator, you should get 1759.02 grams of water. If this was kind of fast, I highly recommend re-watching the video and watching my part 1 again to get more familiarized with this concept. Definitely, practice is perfect. So if you need more examples, please let me know in the comments. It takes time to create this content, so please follow, like, share, and thanks again for watching.